Hello everyone. I'd like to share another journal. This is another nature journal. It's from the collection of the National Geographic Society. Earlier this year I made one with the chickadee on the cover. This one has the ptarmigan or willow ptarmigan, which is the Alaska's state bird. And it measures 7 inches wide, 10 inches high with a 3/4 inch spine. Tim Holtz corners. And then a hitch post with seam binding as a closure. It has one hand stitch signature for a total of 80 pages. The inside cover, I was able to keep the original inside pages, which I like. The library pocket and library card from my Etsy shop. Some items have been coffee stained in this journal. Some fussy cutting and a label and a tag that I made this journal belongs to. There's a side tuck with some journaling cards and some more journaling cards here. The digital kit that I use to the base of the journal is from Artie Mae's Nature Walk. But I also have these forest images, journaling cards from Chikuna. And further along I have some antique garden ephemera from Deb Robinson on Junk Journal Junkies. They were freebies. And from Screech Owl Studio, some aged paper that I use to back some of the pages as is. Journaling card also. And this is also from my Etsy shop. It's a library card. I think it's a title search card. This botanical page, I chose it because it has the ragged robin flower, and you will see it further in this kit. And I was quite lucky to find that. I love this botanical journal that I have. Here's the pocket from the kit, and also some tags. And here's a reserve book library card from my Etsy shop. Some drawing paper, a page from the kit backed with some aged paper. Here's some coffee stained paper and some stamping. Here is a jeweler's envelope with some fussy cutting and a label, more fussy cutting. And inside here I have some note paper. This is a ledger page from a 1908 ledger book that I found in the States last summer. And there's some entries on the other side. It's quite large. It was cut down the bottom part. I've included later in the book. Some newspaper print paper, tracing paper from the kit, drawing paper, coffee stained, a corner tuck with a tag. There's that ragged robin flower, some journaling cards, another page from a botanical book, some stamping. Also from, this is birds of Central and Eastern North America. This postcard from the, again, the Ragged Robin, I received, here it is. It's an early Christmas gift from my friend Trudy in Phoenix. Hi Trudy. And it's postcards of these fairy flowers. It's just beautiful. Thank you, Trudy. It fit perfectly in here. The middle of signature, I made a pocket on the front of it. And here is a little notebook that I made with some that newspaper print paper. And these two, these are the vintage antique garden ephemera from Deb Robinson. And there's also, this is also part of that antique ephemera. The items are dated like 1880, 1881. It's really neat. Oops. And the middle of the signature, some a large journaling card. These are also from the kit. And these are those French cards in fleurs, flower, de jardin, garden, rose sauvage, wild rose. And in this little glassine envelope that I have in my Etsy shop, there's also another a fairy flower from a little book. Sorry. I had this little book of flower fairies that I've been taking out of to include in some of the journals. And in here I put some tabs that can be included anywhere in the journal, and the song of the laburnum fairy. And the laburnum is also this flower. And some more journaling cards from the kit. And there's a large one. Some little seed packets that I made. Seed type, date collected from. And here are some tickets from the kit. It's beautiful. Another pocket. These are journaling cards. I'll put these down somewhere. I'm not sure. And here is the description of the willow ptarmigan that I found in that bird book, which is this bird here, which is also a grouse. We call them partridge here in northern New Brunswick. This opens up. Lots of journaling space. A little corner tuck with some journaling cards. And a page from another botanical book that I have. With cacti. There's some bit of stamping. Some tickets. That newspaper print paper. Here's the other side of that ledger, and oh, you'll see the handwriting, and I'm not sure if it's too clear, but you'll see here. That one there. It's clear. Paid October 26, 1908, and it's a company that sold window screens, single doors, double doors, transom. Unfortunately, I don't find the company name, but it was based in New York. And these items were sold in Philadelphia and Delaware. It had different sections of in the ledger of areas in the States, well, mostly eastern states. Flip out. There's that ragged robin flower again. This one is also the other side of that botanical page. And a pocket with some journaling cards. Journaling card. And a tag. And the back here, I made a little corner pocket with some journaling paper. And the bottom part, the bottom part of the ledger, which is quite big and wide. And there you go. There's my latest journal, Nature, called Ptarmigan. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.